What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CA Buildz. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on you guys' post notifications so you guys don't miss out on anything. Today we're back on a Nissan 370Z. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. We got this thing for super cheap off of Copart. It does have some front end damage right there. We're gonna completely rebuild it and make it look brand new again. We got a whole bunch of parts in. I pretty much got everything. I'll show you guys what we got. All right, we got an OEM hood. I really don't like this aftermarket one. It's cheap, it's made out of fiberglass, and I just don't like this hood at all. But this one's actually the same color, but it does have some scratches here and there on it, so we will have to paint it. But the good thing is we don't have to paint the inside of it, which is pretty cool. We got a bumper. Bumper does have some damage, has a ding right there and one right there and some scuffs. I'll fix this, I'll heat it up, bend it out. It will need some body filler. I couldn't find one in good condition, and I really didn't want to buy a brand new one, so this one will work for now. And over here, we got the whole radiator support, radiator, all the plastics, the whole assembly, which is really cool because piecing all this together is really expensive. The radiator, condenser, support, all these plastics and brackets, everything is pretty pricey, so this is pretty cool. We could just throw all that on, and we don't have to worry about all the little things. The radiator actually does come with a condenser. I thought our old one was aftermarket, but it's not. I guess that's how they come, which is super weird. I've never seen them like that. But we pretty much got all the parts. We got the headlights over there. One of the headlights needs to get a tab fixed, and we can start working on it. I think I will throw on the hood first, throw on the fender, and then throw on the support radiator and everything else back on. I have no idea how I'll be putting on this hood by myself, but let's do it. That actually didn't go that bad, other than these scratches right here, which is not a big deal. But look at this, I didn't even align the hood, and these gaps are already not that bad. This part of the fender needs to go a little out and move the hood a little this way, but the gaps are not bad at all. I actually want to throw this fender on right now and see how that's lining up, bend it, twist it a little bit, make it work, and then we'll be throwing on the support and see what it'll look like. All right, guys, I got the fender on, and it's actually a lot more damage than I thought. This thing was all twisted up. I mean, it's still twisted, but I bent it out a little bit. The gaps are not too bad over here by the door. This one is looking pretty good. But then let me show you guys if I put the hood down. Look over here. This side. So over here is pretty decent. It needs to come out a little bit over here. And then, bam. Right there, it's like all twisted. Basically where this part kinked, the front is picked up. We need to bend it down a little bit. We might still be able to make it work, but we might actually need a new fender. I'll still see what I'll be doing with that. I'll look online, maybe I can find a fender. Actually, look at this side. This side is down like that as well because the hood is up. The hood is supposed to be like this. Might not be too bad. I'll see. I'll still mess with the fender a little bit, see what we'll be doing there. I want to put on the support, connect all the hoses, the wiring, hopefully get all that done today. Before we put the support and everything on, I need to take these AC lines off, and to do that I need a special tool that pushes these inside and they come out, and I don't have that. So I'm gonna run to the store, get those, and get some coolant, so when we throw these on, put some coolant in there and start it, make sure everything works properly. We got our coolant for Asian vehicles, and we got our little tool to get the AC lines off and start working. All right, I got the support on and everything is looking so far so good. All these bolts line up over here, line up over there. Still got to get those lower ones on, connect all the wires, all of these, make sure they all get connected in the right place. But it's looking good. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. Let's keep on working. All right, guys, that is it for today. We got the support on, buckled up, all the wiring, everything's looking really good. I'm not gonna pour coolant in just yet. We'll do that tomorrow, so I'll catch you guys then. All right, next day here, guys, we're gonna pour coolant in this thing and let it run. All right, guys, we got all the coolant in. Everything's looking good so far. There's no leaks. Hopefully it's gonna stay like that. I'll let it warm up a little bit, add a little more coolant, and take it for a little test drive. All right, guys, we let her warm up and everything's perfect. There's no leaks. Everything's looking good. Look at this. Whoever painted the front end before straight up made a line over here, and it's two different colors. They didn't want to paint the whole fender. And this side is exactly the same. Look at that. I'm not sure if you could really see it on camera, but it's two different colors. Well, someone half-assed it. Look inside. So the temperature is basically in the middle. Man, this thing sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, super dirty. Let's go take it for a little drive. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll get this whole front end assembled. I am looking for a new build. I'm not sure what it'll be exactly. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.